With so many providers competing for your attention, selecting the right car insurance can feel overwhelming. With different coverage options, pricing, and customer service experiences, how do you determine which one truly fits your needs? For today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about National Unity Auto Insurance. We'll go over their coverage options, pricing, discounts, customer reviews, and claims process. Stick around until the end, where we'll discuss whether this company is worth considering for your car insurance needs. National Unity Auto Insurance could be a great option for your car insurance coverage, but there are many other companies you may want to consider. If you're looking for affordable car insurance in your area, head over to autoinsurance.org today and use our free comparison tool to get a customized quote and find the best coverage at the right price today. Driving across borders comes with its own set of challenges, and having the right insurance can make all the difference. Whether you're visiting the U.S. or frequently traveling between countries, finding a provider that understands your needs is key. That's where National Unity Insurance comes in. Before we dive into the details, let's take a quick look at National Unity Insurance and what they offer. Understanding a company's background can help you determine if they align with your insurance needs. National Unity Auto Insurance specializes in providing coverage for Mexican vehicles that need temporary or long-term insurance while driving in the United States. Whether you're a visitor, an immigrant, or a business owner managing a fleet of cross-border vehicles, their policies are designed to offer reliable protection tailored to your specific needs. With rates starting at $85 per month, they provide specialized liability coverage for Mexican vehicles traveling to the U.S. or Canada. Backed by over 50 years of experience and a 40% market share, National Unity is known for its affordability, comprehensive coverage options, and dedication to serving international drivers. Save on car insurance today. Head over to autoinsurance.org and let our free comparison tool help you find a policy that fits your budget. Now, let's talk about what really matters: coverage. Choosing the right insurance policy can make a huge difference in protecting you financially after an accident, natural disaster, or unexpected event. So, what comprehensive coverage options does National Unity Auto Insurance offer? Let's start with liability coverage. It covers damages and injuries to others if you're at fault in an accident. This is essential for meeting legal requirements in both the US and Canada. Next, there's collision coverage. Whether you're at fault or not, this coverage helps pay for repairs to your car or even a full replacement if the damage is severe. If you want peace of mind after an accident, this is a must-have. Moving on, we have comprehensive coverage. Unlike collision coverage, this protects your car from non-accident-related damage like theft, vandalism, natural disasters, or even hitting an animal. If you want coverage beyond just crashes, this is a smart choice. Another important option is personal injury protection, or PIP. This coverage takes care of medical expenses and lost wages for you and your passengers, no matter who caused the accident. It's especially useful in no-fault states, where medical bills can pile up fast. Finally, we have uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. If you get into an accident with someone who doesn't have insurance, or doesn't have enough, this coverage makes sure you're not stuck with the costs. Given how many uninsured drivers are out there, this can be a lifesaver. Don't settle for less when it comes to coverage. Visit autoinsurance.org now to compare quotes instantly and find the perfect policy for your needs. National Unity offers a variety of discounts that can significantly lower your premiums, with savings ranging from 7% to 25% based on eligibility and coverage type. Let's take a closer look at the best discounts you can take advantage of. Let's begin with bundling discount. One of the easiest ways to maximize your savings is by bundling multiple insurance policies under National Unity. By combining your auto insurance with a home, renter's, or another qualifying policy, you can unlock up to 25% in savings. Not only does bundling reduce costs, but it also simplifies policy management by keeping everything under one provider. Next, the Safe Driver Discount. If you have a clean driving record with no accidents or traffic violations, you may qualify for up to 22% discount on your premium. Safe driving demonstrates responsibility on the road, and insurers reward that by offering lower rates. If you've gone a few years without incidents, This discount can lead to significant long-term savings. Moving on, let's talk about the multi-vehicle discount. Families or households with multiple cars can take advantage of up to 20% in savings when insuring more than one vehicle under the same policy. Instead of managing separate policies for each car, you'll enjoy streamlined coverage and reduced overall costs. Whether you have 2 cars or a whole fleet, this discount helps keep expenses down. For students, we have the Good Student Discount. Maintaining a strong academic record can do more than boost future opportunities. It can also lower insurance costs. If you're a high school or college student with a B average or higher, you could qualify for up to 18% off your premium. This discount rewards responsible young drivers who demonstrate discipline both in school and on the road. Finally, we have the Paid in Full discount. Paying your insurance in one lump sum instead of monthly installments comes with instant savings. National Unity offers up to 10% off when you pay your premium up front, reducing administrative fees and ensuring your coverage stays active without worrying about missed payments. If you can afford to pay in full, this is a great way to cut costs. Want to see how much you can save? Visit autoinsurance.org and compare quotes now using our free comparison tool to find the best rates and unlock exclusive discounts offered by top providers. When selecting an auto insurance provider, pricing and coverage are just part of the equation. A company's reputation, customer experience, and financial stability also play a crucial role. Let's break down how National Unity Auto Insurance is rated by industry experts. National Unity receives an A rating from the Better Business Bureau, BBB, reflecting good business practices and ethical operations. This suggests the company handles disputes professionally and maintains strong customer relations. From a customer experience perspective, Consumer Reports rates them 68 out of 100, meaning they provide fair customer satisfaction but may not exceed expectations in service quality. One potential concern is the 1.80 complaint index from the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, NAIC. This score indicates that National Unity receives more complaints than the industry average, which could point to issues with claims processing or policyholder support. On the financial side, AM Best assigns them a B++ rating, signifying good financial strength. This means National Unity is financially stable and capable of paying out claims, an important factor when choosing an insurer. While National Unity demonstrates strong financial stability and ethical business practices, the higher-than-average complaint rate is something to consider. If customer service is a priority, it may be worth comparing them with other highly rated insurers. The ideal moment to start saving on car insurance is today. Head over to autoinsurance.org and let our free comparison tool help you find a policy that fits your budget. National Unity Auto Insurance is a great choice for drivers who frequently travel between the US and Mexico, offering seamless cross-border coverage. However, if quick claims processing is a priority, you may want to explore other insurers, as some policyholders have reported delays. Whether you prioritize affordability, coverage options, or fast claim service, comparing insurers can help you find the best fit for your needs. If you found this video helpful and want to see more in-depth reviews on car insurance providers, make sure to hit that like button, share it with a friend who might be looking for the right auto insurance, and comment your thoughts on your experience with National Unity Insurance. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. We post regularly about the best insurance options, money-saving tips, and insider advice to help you get the coverage you need at the best price. National Unity Auto Insurance has its pros and cons. Be sure to compare your options to find the best fit for your coverage needs. Making the right choice for car insurance is essential for your peace of mind and financial security. That's all for today's review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, drive safe and stay insured.